Welcome to Vibrant Learning, your gateway to discovery, learning, and adventure. Thanksgiving is a meaningful time for family, community, and reflection. It's a time to gather with loved ones, share stories, and strengthen connections. For many Black families, the Thanksgiving feast symbolizes resilience and triumph over historical challenges and hardships. It serves as a reminder to pause and reflect on the positives in our lives, fostering a sense of gratitude and unity. Whether through festive gatherings, acts of service, or personal reflection, Thanksgiving is a time to celebrate the richness of life and the relationships that enrich it. For many, Thanksgiving dinner is a feast filled with cultural traditions and soulful flavors. Three common dishes that are often found on the table include collard greens. Typically slow-cooked with smoked meats like ham hocks or turkey wings, collard greens are a staple side dish packed with flavor and nutrients. A healthy variation of this popular side dish is to substitute vegetable stock instead of adding meat. Cornbread dressing, a savory dressing made with cornbread as a base, often seasoned with aromatic herbs, onions, and sometimes mixed with sausage or other meats. Sweet potato pie, a beloved dessert made with creamy spiced sweet potato filling and a buttery crust topped with whipped cream. These dishes not only showcase the culinary heritage of Black families, but also represent the love, care, and tradition that make Thanksgiving a meaningful and delicious celebration. As we approach Thanksgiving, it's essential to prioritize our health and well-being while still enjoying the festivities. Here are 9 tips to help you have a healthy Thanksgiving. Number 1, get active. Start your day with some light exercise to boost your metabolism and set a healthy tone for the day. Number 2, eat breakfast. Fuel your body with a balanced breakfast to prevent overeating later in the day. Number 3, lighten up. Choose healthier cooking methods like baking, grilling, or steaming instead of frying to reduce calories and fat. Number 4, watch your portions. Be mindful of portion sizes and try to fill your plate with more vegetables and lean proteins. Number 5, think twice before having seconds. Allow yourself to enjoy your favorite dishes, but practice moderation to avoid overeating. Number 6, slowly savor Thanksgiving dinner. Take your time to enjoy each bite, savoring the flavors and textures of your meal. Number 7, go easy on the alcohol. Limit your alcohol intake and remember to stay hydrated with water throughout the day. Number 8, be realistic. It's okay to indulge a little on Thanksgiving, but try to make healthier choices wherever you can. And number 9, focus on family and friends. Remember that Thanksgiving is about more than just food. Cherish the time spent with loved ones and the joy of being together. A wonderful way to combat the extra calories and achieve balance over the holiday season is through chair yoga dancing. Carving out some time to dance to your favorite tune with chair yoga can be a rejuvenating and enjoyable activity. By incorporating gentle yoga poses and movements while sitting in a chair, we can stretch and strengthen our bodies while also experiencing the joy of dancing. This mindful movement practice allows us to stay physically active, improve our flexibility, and relieve any tension or stress that may have accumulated during the holidays. By incorporating these tips into your Thanksgiving celebration, you can enjoy a healthy and balanced holiday while still savoring the traditions and togetherness that make this day special. Thanks for tuning in. Now it's your turn to share. What valuable lessons did you take away from today's discussion? Let us know in the comments below and continue this conversation. Oh, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more content just like this. Stay connected, keep learning, and have a very happy Thanksgiving.